Alright, let's take a brief glimpse into my Rise the Challenge vertical wrestling template. With this template, it's very easy to insert your subject and change any of the colors and text that you need. For example, inserting your subject can be as simple as shutting off my sample subject, having an already extracted subject that you can drag and drop into it. Then just position them where you think they look good. Now changing the colors, you can easily change, for example, the background color. You can change the flares, the wrestling mat, and even the podium color. Just double click on any text icon to adjust it and change it. The same for up here. It can be as simple and easy as that to adjust the background to fit your team or subject exactly. There's all kinds of unique layers that you can move around, adjust, size. You also don't have to use the subject name field. You can completely shut that off. You can add logos, sponsors, whatever else you'd want to the bottom if you like. And of course, you can print a variety of sizes for parents. You can print posters and even large banners with this template.